Welcome to World's Best Places here in Luzern. My name is Pietro Catalano and I will show you today some signature dishes. It's calling the potato becomes a soufflé. Let's go in the kitchen. So what we did, we already prepared something for you. So we take a nice little potato. The potato, it's from the region. We try to find a potato with a very thin skin, and then we bake it in the oven for 1 hour on a salt crust that the inside becomes super soft. And what we do now is we take out the inside carefully till to the skin. Takes a few moments because we need to remove everything gently. And this is the dish reflects very well our philosophy in CAAA, our Transalpine kitchen, as we was working before 5 years in the Swiss Alps. So the potato, it's become with us every day, and it's a really nice product. But what we want to do with the potato, it's like we want to give like a little upgrade and something special. And so that's why we call it like it's becoming a soufflé. I'll show you later what we are doing with this nice potato. So as you can see now, we go straight to the skin. So we let it here stay. And then I prepare already white chocolate and butter. So we use it 50 gram of white chocolate, 50 gram of butter. So we melt it gently on a warm place. Then we have here the machine which we use sugar, like 20 gram of sugar, 3 egg yolks, which we place inside to make actually traditional soufflé. We turn on the machine. So later on, what we use, we prepare already some 00 flour, some almond flour, and the potato. Like the remaining potato, we reuse it. So we use 10 gram of flour, then 15 gram of almond flour, then the potato, we strain to a sieve, very thin, so we mix it all together. And then when the egg yolk is ready with the sugar, we put all in one basket and we whisk it again till it's very smooth. And in the end we put also the sugar and the chocolate and the butter inside. And then we whisk it again. And then in the end we whisk the egg white, very stiff, and we mix it gently as a soufflé, which we show you later. As you see now, the egg yolk with the sugar comes very fluffy. Now we go a bit down with the speed. Put all inside. Just mixing well. Then we take the butter and the chocolate, just whisking a little bit. Important that it melts everything, and we just go in like this. So one part is done. What we do is now we take it away and just remove everything, and then we put the egg white inside to beat them. Shortly. So we clean now everything. What we need to do now is we put the egg white here inside. So we beat them very stiff. Meanwhile, we can prepare the potato. We place a little bit of hazelnut flour inside, just to cover the skin inside. So we have a nice flavor of hazelnut, just like this. Now, as you can see, the egg white is almost done. Now looks great. So put the egg white here inside and we fold it gently with the mass of butter, egg yolk, white chocolate. This will become our soufflé for the potato. So as you can see now it's super fluffy. We put it in a bag to fill the potato then So we just put a little bit here, like 2/3 inside. And voila. Just like that. And then now we place the potato in the oven for 160 degrees, 7 minutes with 60% of humidity. It's very important. So the potato is now done. It was here inside 7 minutes. And now it's super hot, and you see the soufflé, it's growing inside the potato. Now we go to plating this wonderful dish. You just turn around. We have here some oil from different herbs which we made, and we just put gently oil over potato, so it's becoming nice, shiny, and have the nice flavor. And voila. Then we prepare here, white wine velouté, just a light sauce which we combine with the potato. And now we have here some Pietro caviar. Which we put on the potato. So we place the potato here inside the stone. Sauce velouté, it's nice and hot. What we do is now we mix it with the oil. Then we place the white wine velouté here inside. What we create is like, we have the potato, it's becoming a soufflé. The soufflé, it's more on the sweeter side, because you have the white chocolate, we have the hazelnut. So we have the sauce velouté with the white wine. The white wine gives a nice acidity, the oil, the herbs, and then the nice one is the caviar. The caviar gives the saltiness to the sweetness and the acidity, and it's a very harmonic dish. And we put some for the deco, some spruce just here on the top to finish the alpine potato. Just like that. Voila. I hope you enjoyed, and we see you soon at CAAA.